Hello everyone, welcome to Tools Hub, where innovation meets imagination. Today, we're exploring tools and inventions that prove human creativity has no limits. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. Strangely enough, sanding wood is very attractive. All the imperfections disappear, leaving a clean and smooth surface. Gone are the days when straight drilling was a tough job. The right tool makes perfect alignment simple for every woodworker. Electrical work demands care and caution, but the right tools turn a tough task into a smooth, worry-free process. No one around to lend a hand? No problem. This device will be your most reliable coworker. It may look small, but don't underestimate it. This handy tool is efficient and adaptable to a variety of tasks, making it the ideal choice for those who need performance in a compact design. Keep cool drinks and fresh snacks on hand. This mini fridge is ready to go wherever you go. Why choose between utility and fun? This scooter gives you both. Basketball wheels, ready for play anytime, anywhere. What used to be a very hard job has now become a breeze. This machine completely eliminates the hard work of peeling sugarcane and is truly a pleasure to watch. Chopping vegetables by hand is a thing of the past. This machine is a chef's best friend, fast, precise, and mess-free. Hello, the future of food prep. Winter snow removal doesn't have to be tiring. With this machine by your side, clearing snow is quick, easy, and even quite enjoyable. Equipped with a variety of smart accessories, this tool ensures top precision for every job. This is reliability you can put your trust in. Human creativity never ceases to amaze us. These machines are proof that with imagination, anything is possible. Who else could have come up with such ideas? Impressive, right? A little bit of ingenuity, the right machine, and a little creativity are all it takes to get the job done with ease. This attachable grinding head makes your tool even more versatile. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Never worry about making a wrong cut again. This smart machine helps you create clean, precise cuts, even if you are a first-timer. Say goodbye to frozen mornings. This snowblower clears your vehicle in a flash, so you can be on your way in no time. Forget bulky air mattresses. This smart folding bed is more compact, more convenient, and fits into your living space. Painting walls doesn't have to be boring. This roller makes every stroke feel like music on the wall. Thanks to modern tools, woodworking is more fun than ever. Beautiful results are no longer so difficult to achieve. This compact tool is an indispensable item for every carpenter. Small but extremely convenient, you will use it every time you start work. This device is a huge step forward for working at height. Less effort, less fatigue, and the work goes much smoother. Lifting a machine for maintenance used to be risky, but with this device, you can lift the machine safely and focus completely on the repair. This young craftsman works with dedication, as if he and his tools are one. His passion and precision make his work a truly wonderful thing. Assembling furniture has become easier. With this tool by your side, everything goes smoothly, even if you do it alone. Would you like to try this snack? I definitely would, especially when it looks this delicious. Cut and clean metal perfectly. Previously difficult jobs now have easy solutions. Even the lazy can do it. This mobile machine is every craftsman's dream, fully equipped and ready to go anywhere. Compact, convenient, and full of potential. Cut the lock slot to the exact millimeter with ease. This tool saves time, effort, and gets an immediate nod from skilled workers. Say goodbye to guesswork. This tool makes roofing faster, easier, and more accurate. Perfect for pros and DIYers alike. Watch as an expert cuts a long piece of metal into perfect two halves. His technique is a testament to precision and control. Flying cars are no longer a distant dream. What was science fiction yesterday is now poised to become your morning commute. Technology has completely changed the way we care for our gardens. This device keeps your lawn looking like new every day. Welcome to effortless lawn care. Save water, save money, and protect the environment. This smart irrigation solution completely changes the way you care for your plants. When precision is combined with craftsmanship, every cut in the wood becomes a mark. This is the pinnacle of carpentry. Punching holes in fragile materials may seem impossible, but as you can see, the right equipment makes it simple. Practicing on real skin has never been easier, so this method gives you a safe and stress-free way to master the art of tattooing. Sharpening precision tools doesn't have to be difficult. With the right methods, you can keep your tools sharp with minimal effort. Don't let friction ruin your rope. If lifting or pulling is a daily task, this tool will ensure durability and smooth operation. We've seen the hype. Now it's your turn. Take a closer look and let us know if this device really works. Who says bigger is better? This compact device is up to the challenge, literally and figuratively, small but mighty. Never say you can't climb trees anymore. You just need the right equipment. This one makes climbing easy, safe, and efficient. Tired of sweeping your porch every day? This tool will blow it all away, quickly, cleanly, and effortlessly. Construction site dust removal used to be a tough job, but now it's made easy with this groundbreaking device. Unloading large boulders is now a simple matter. Just invest in this wheelbarrow support. Convenient, right? Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.